Hello everyone! It's your girl Christina, aka Chris, aka Christina Alexis, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking and tuning in. I just wanted to give a quick video on how to do your brows. Brows are not a hard thing to do, but they can make or break your makeup look. And you could do brows and not do anything else. That's actually how I started to do makeup. I kept getting them over plucked and over tweezed to the point I looked like I just had two lines on my face. It was not cute. No. Over time, I just learned different skills and different techniques to make my brows as realistic and snatched as possible. So if you want to see how I got my brows to look like this, keep watching. Okay. So I did my face off camera. I did something simple. And while my face is baking, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how I do my brows. So the tools that I'm using are Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow, LA Girl Pro Concealer in medium beige, a blending brush. I'm also using Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Gel and some setting powder. First step is to comb your brows like this. Lightly dab, do not go overboard, just a light swipe, just like that. And I start in the middle. I don't start here because I don't want that big block. Like, don't nobody got time to be looking like freaking Jasmine from Aladdin.
How dare you?
Like, yes, she's beautiful, but who in the heck wants box brows like that? Like, you want your brows to look like you have hair. So, first step, I take my angled brush and I start in the middle. And I lightly fill it in. So you just fill it in and you do light little strokes to get it fuller. Do not do this. See that? Look how much product. You don't need, that's too much. You don't want this on your brow. No. Just light strokes. Like this. Let's do the other side. Start in the middle. And you work at an angle and lightly fill in the spaces of your brow. Lightly. And I apply, like I said, a little bit more pressure towards the end because I want the tail darker. I don't want the front darker. I want the tail darker. You see, I didn't even really put product right here, and that's on purpose. I don't want product right there because I want this to look as natural as possible. Like, your eyebrows are never supposed to be perfect. Like, nobody's eyebrows are exactly the same. They're supposed to look like sisters, not twins. Another thing I do, if you notice, the corner of my brow, I could take my brow down even further to line this up. So that's what I'm gonna do. Drag it down just a little bit further. It lines up with my eye, with the corner of my eye. So then I take my brow wash gel, just do light strokes. I go up here because I want those hair-like strokes in the front, and then I brush it back like that. Next, I take a clean angle brush and take my concealer. You can get a little heavy-handed with this because you're gonna blend it out anyway. So don't be shy. Apply your concealer liberally. Okay, got that part. It's all gonna come to form. Start at the top. And you blend, and this cleans it up too. Bring it all the way. You connect it. See how it's connected? You connect it. Start up here, and then you line it like this. So let's go to the top. Connect it. Connect it with the bottom so you have like a point. Then connect them with my nose contour. So that helps make sure your brows are even as possible. Is connect them. Just connect them, girl. Just connect. You see, I look crazy. I look a hot mess. But it's all gonna blend once I'm done. You see how it helps them be more symmetrical? Once you do that, You take your brush and you just blend. You blend the way. Blend all that, you just blend it. But blend down, don't blend up. Blend down with the brow, blend down, blend down, blend down. So that's pretty much it. Give me 1 second, I'm gonna blend all this in and then I'm gonna show you the final look. So this is the final look, what do you think? Focus on the brows, people, focus on the brows. Just a few tips and pointers. Don't start directly at the inner corners of your brows. Start like 1/4 of the way and then start to build, because you want this inner section to be as natural as possible. And connect your conceal lines at the top and at the bottom and draw a line in the middle down your nose contour, because that'll help create symmetry to your brows. Well, it's a couple tools that you need to make sure you have: an angle brush, a spoolie, a brow gel of some sort, a pomade or pencil, a concealer that is 1 to 2 shades lighter than your actual complexion. Let me address this one thing real quick. Can y'all please stop doing this halo brow thing? Like, we gotta cut that out in 2019. Ain't nothing like some cocoa brown skin. No shade, but you can't be having concealers 5 shades lighter than me. Come on, sis. Put an end to the halo brow. Like, it has to stop. It's a no. No, 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 no. If you have any questions or concerns, comment below. I'll get you the answers that you need. If I don't have the answers, I know a slew of good makeup artists that can help me get the answers to you. So thank you again for tuning in, and I hope that you got something out of this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification button so that way you can know when your girl posts a new video. Until next time, holla at your girl. Peace.